Hello, I'm Angela Pogyongko. I'm Camille Buico. Hi, I am Natasha Anzin de la Torre. I'm Queenie Fernandez.
Hi, I'm Regine Lopez.
And we're from the UP Varsity Swimming Team.
Sama-sama. How do you stay motivated through heavy trainings?
Siguro that's what I love about UPBST. Kasi how I thought I loved the sport before, it's nothing compared to how I love it now. Kasi parang college swimming really brought out the best in me. And ngayon naman na, yun nga, never naman nagbago na mahirap pa rin yung training. So, how I stay motivated is to really see it na parang it's something that I'm able to do, not something that I have to do. And also, yun nga, other than it, like being able to swim as a privilege, for me, it's something that I really enjoy din kasi talaga. And it's something that I try to hold on to. Yung idea na, it's something na I have fun doing, kahit na, yun nga, yung, parang on the flip side, yun nga, I suffer din, like from the body aches and having to go to class after, yung like, lahat ng pagod, but I know naman, in the end, it's all worth it.
For me, siguro, I try to approach yung training ko as you just have to finish this day, but not in the sake of like, oh, I just wanna get through this. It's like you're there now, you might as well do your best. So might as well go all out and yeah, follow coach's instructions, do your best, and then do it again the next day and then the next day, and eventually you up this year and then rest after.
So for me, to stay motivated, like sa training, I try to talk to myself. I try to recall every experience I had in swimming. And then, like, I try to push myself and, like, think that everything will come back to me. Every suffering, everything na iyak, every suffering. Like, yung pain, mawawala lang naman yan. Like, pain is just temporary. Pero like, yung experiences, it will stay forever.
Hindi ko po alam. I see swimming kasi na, it's weird actually kasi kahit nakakapagod yung swimming, I love to do it. And swimming is one of the things na I'm willing to, you know, ilag ko yung time ko and mapagod and to fail and try again and try again. So, it's kind of weird.
For me, parang gusto ko yung thrill ng training. Like, to hear about my times, parang either going up, going down, no matter. Kasi, in the end, parang I was doing, like, effort. And tumatawa naman ako, because I just did that. Then, I guess UPBST also motivated me. Like, na-feel ko sobra yung uplifting energy nila, how parang kahit individual sport, like, there's some respect sa rivalry. And parang everyone wants, the whole team just wants to go up together.
Outside of swimming, what do you like to do?
So my favorite activity aside from swimming is reading books, listening to music, and also, also online shopping. Nawawala na pera ko dahil sa online shopping.
For me, if it's like sports, I used to do volleyball before. But other than that, I like to cook a lot. Gordon Ramsay, hello.
Saka naman po matulog. And, ayun, kasi after training, nag-study na, naghahabol ng lectures, gano'n. And yung pinaka-gusto kong gawin is matulog. Or di kaya manood ng anime, makinig sa music, mag-karaoke. Yan lang. Happy birthday! 100.
Kumakanta ka? Kumakanta ka?
Hindi po, joke lang po.
Hindi ko narinig I feel like kumakanta.
Siguro, spending time with friends and is something I really enjoy. And other than that, for resting, it's watching series then on Netflix, Disney Plus. That's kind of rest.
What's your favorite scene? As of now?
It's hard to say. Pero right now, I'm watching 911 on Disney Plus.
911?
Yes. It's really nice.
For me naman, if meron mga activity outside of swimming, sobrang konti. Kasi ngayon, lalo na ngayong mid-year, this year kasi I got elected as an officer. So, most of my time talaga it's revolved around swimming and the team, yung mga activities na we have upcoming. Ang ginagawa ko, like, most of the time is just really planning that. Tapos, aside from that, I have training every morning, then gym. Tapos, after that, I have class pa until 3 p.m. So, after nun, my time, what I like to do is to watch na lang. Wala tayong gumagawa. Like, I used to love reading books talaga. Pero ngayon, like, I can't find the time to do so.
Can you share a funny moment that you've had during practice?
This was during sa Vermont or swim camp, parang before UAB. Me and Natasha were doing gym outside. And then, we were using the med ball. Tapos, like, we were supposed to throw the med ball, but I accidentally threw it on my foot. So that's why I got injured. I accidentally threw it kasi I wasn't looking.
Sa akin po, wala sa training, sa U-up siya nangyari. Kasi hindi po ako nagmumura. Pero nung third day yan so I'm not cursing kasi bawal sa amin. Tapos, sobrang kabado ko. Tapos, so nadala po ako ng emosyon kasi tinatawag na yung event ko, then napamura po ako. Tapos pagharap ko nandun si Ate Ange, sobrang lutong po ng mura ko nandun. I'm so sorry. Sobrang, nakita ko po yung face niya, hindi ko alam kung proud siya. Basta nagulat po siya. Siguro the one that almost in the top of my head was, yung relay din namin nung season 85. Yun, when I broke yung previous record ni ate. I don't know, parang medyo nakakatawa sa akin kasi wala na rin siyang magagawa kasi retired na siya. Yun na.
So sa akin po was 50 freestyle. So sobrang ko, like may senior po kasi ako. Yung may gang sign po kami doon. So every time mag-swim po ako, nakaganito ako. Tapos, after nun, tinatawanan na lang nila ako. Pero ako kabado pa rin. Pero ginaganto ko na lang. Miss you po at TGHQ.
What's the best piece of advice that you received about swimming?
Siguro, from my brother, kasi since season 85 was my very first U-up na and one of the biggest competitions I've ever had. He always told me, don't take it seriously. Because at the end of the day, you really just have to enjoy the process rather than being serious about it. Kunyari, your swim didn't go as planned and you're gonna be so down about it. You're not really gonna enjoy it. It's just not sustainable also in the long run. So yeah, just enjoy the process. Don't take anything too seriously.
For me, similar lang with Choberin. One of the best advice that siguro, I didn't realize ko on my own or yun nga, like I heard it from someone, probably my coach. Siguro it's trusting the process and just being open to mistakes kasi it's all part of it and also having fun nga kasi even if you win, if you're not having fun, it won't feel as good as if you're enjoying everything naman talaga, like the whole, like thing, not just the swimming part, but also being with the team and bonding with them. And also another advice na I always keep in mind is being detached kasi it's something that has really helped me throughout the years na kasi I realized na the more you expect, the more it takes you out of the experience of just being there, being present, and just living in the moment na whether you win or not, it's something na, yun nga, you're just part of it and something na you experience.
For me po, there are two people na tumatak sa isip ko pag nagko-compete rin ako. Is Ate Ange. She told me na is to always enjoy and have fun. Like, do not overthink things, which ako, overthinker talaga ako. Like, kahit sa swim ko, like, I have to do specific things in order for me to get to where I want to be. So, when Ate Ange told me to just enjoy, mas masaya na yung experience sa swimming. Kasi sana nagsistress out ako. Also rin from my dad and my mom, they always tell me to always think about everything na like where I came from, where like my past experiences and how I can use it sa mga events ko po.
Sa akin po, sinabi sa akin ng sister ko na normal na kabahan. Kasi lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, like, sa 4 days na U-up na yun, lagi siya yung kinakabahan ako. And sinasabi niya sa akin is normal lang yan. And narealize ko na dapat tignan ko yung kaba as a good thing. Na whenever kinakabahan ako, I should think na kinakabahan ako kasi I want to do my very best. I want to give all and I don't want to F it all up. Yung gano'n. Na, yun po, F po yun. F. Freak, gano'n. Tapos, ayun, na, siguro iisipin ko na, if hindi ako kinakabahan, it just means na I'm willing to lose or to just not do my best sa ginagawa ko. So, and yun yung magandang sinabi sa akin ng kapatid ko po.
Well, for me, parang iniisip ko is to live the life the fullest while parang keeping up your mind straight. Kasi, in the end, like, this was an opportunity given to us and we chose to do something for it. And we're not even gonna be in UP or UPVST for so long, mga 45 playing years. And parang while I'm still like technically young and in our prime, parang it's best to just enjoy while like no pain no gain.
What's one thing you wish more people knew about swimming?
Siguro one thing that I wish people knew about swimming is that it's exciting na hindi lang yung isang or dalawang sport na sikat yung dapat nilang panoorin. Kasi actually, yun nga, I just wish then that people gave swimming a chance, like to support the sport more. Siguro, representing a state university and one of the struggles that we have, lalo na yung sa sport namin na that's not so famous, is yun nga, having enough resources. And so, isa lang rin sa mga wish ko is for more people to come and watch us, to be more engaged with the sport, and to at least like, give us a chance. Yeah, there's so much to see talaga.
One thing I want people to know about swimming is it is a team sport as much as it is an individual sport. Because since training is probably the biggest portion of your whole swimming career, you won't be able to push yourself if it weren't for your teammates beside you. As I think Aya said it a while ago, there is always a healthy rivalry during training. So as much as it is an individual sport, it is also a team sport as well.
For me po, swimming is just as fun as any other sport. Especially the thrill especially when it's sprinting. Huwag lang kayo manood ng mga super haba kasi, wait, di naman. Okay, no, pero manonood, don't worry. Pero like, the thrill, it's different when you look at it in a different perspective. Kasi swimming isn't just swimming from one end to the other. Like, you would see the crowd go wild as they're cheering for their respective universities. So I think it's different from as a swimmer, but I hope they'll see it in a different light.
Same as Ate Shobe, Ate Camille, and Atasha. And probably the other than. Same. Swimming is full of swimmers na passionate, athletes na passionate sa ginagawa nila. And I think worth watching them and support them.
Personally, I think that all sports are equally difficult depending on how you move or how you train, like your hard work. And I want people to see na swimming isn't just really na parang, oh, it's easy na kasi you're underwater, you're not dehydrated, which is entirely false. Parang gusto ko lang na ipakita sa mga tao na this, like, swimming is really one of the best sports that you guys can do kasi according to this charot, kasi like the most deaths diba in like drowning or something like that. So if you learn how to do swimming, like not even competitive, it's still important.
Who are you rooting for? May mga
Bias.
may mga bias for this.
Yeah, they're like one of the most established swimmers in the world.
I'm looking for Team Australia. Si Emma Kia. Yung favorite swimmer ko. Tsaka si Kevin Kio.
Again, same lang din kay Atasha.
Gonna proceed for fast talk. Medyo mabilis na. Okay. Are you ready? First, coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Morning workout or evening workout?
Morning.
Beach vacation. Beach vacation or mountain vacation?
Beach vacation.
Cats or dogs? Reading a book or
Watching a movie.
freestyle or backstroke?
Freestyle.
Sprint or long distance?
Sprint.
Morning practice or evening practice?
Evening practice.
Indoor pool or outdoor pool? Relay or individual?
Individual?
Singing or dancing?
Dancing.
Texting or calling? Studying in library or
Cafe.
group study or solo study? Attending lectures or watching recordings?
Attending lectures.
Comedy or drama? Superheroes or villains?
Villains.
Books or ebooks?
Books.
Concerts or movies?
Movies.
Netflix or YouTube? That's all I have. Perfect, yun.
Expect us in season 87 for us to be stronger next. Sana atupid.
I expect to smoke really.
this season 87 will come back better.
I expect better performance and better teamwork.
I expect like the parang stronger bond and together we can make it as one.
UB5!